Have you ever noticed why certain foods leaves you bloated when it seems healthy, or why someday we feel more energy on the other we feel down? So, hello everyone. Today we'll answer this question and understand the concept of three natural energies which is flowing in our body in the form of dosha. What it is and how it works in our body, let's see. So first we need to understand about the dosha. Dosha is not the disease or disorder. Rather it is the three natural energy which form our body prakriti. Each person born with a unique blend of this dosha. Ratio of this shapes everything from their body structure to the emotional response. So there are three natural energies called Vata, Pitta and Kapha. In this video, we'll explore more about the Vata, which is often referred as the king of the all doshas. Vata dosha is made up of two elements, that is air and space. That brings about the movement, whether it is your breath flowing, your heart beating, or your thought is traveling through your mind, even your food is moving through your digestive system. All this is governed by the Vata. It also helps in speech, blinking, circulation, joint movement, and many more. Indirectly, it is also responsible for your flexibility, your creativity, and agility. Because of its light and mobile nature, it is very sensitive and easily get disturbed by irregular routine, stress, weather, and eating habits. So when it goes off balance, it will show some signs physically and mentally. Physically, an imbalance may lead to brittle nails, dry skin, dry scalp, which lead to hair fall. You may also experience bloating, constipation, irregular digestion, joint pain, cracking sound from your joint, and along with this, you may also feel persistent cold when the weather is mild. And mentally, a disturbed ward brings restlessness, nervousness, anxiety, sleep trouble. You may also find it difficult to concentrate, or you may feel sensitivity towards the touch, sound, or changing environment. So how you can balance the bath dosh? The simple and most effective way is managing your routine. If you follow the same pattern like wake up, eat, work, sleep at the same time, that is the best way to balance it. Along with this, involve some physical activity in your daily routine. You can also include pranayam, meditation, or any kind of prayer which will suit your nervous system and your body. Plus, you should wear the calm and cozy clothes. If you have a Vata Prakriti, you should avoid the exposure to cold airs and may take the shower of a warm water. Plus, you must massage your body with the almond or sesame oil. That will not only moisturize your skin, but it will also improve the blood circulation and suits your nervous system. So what to eat? For Vata dosh, the best food are those that will provide warmth, nourishment, heaviness and moisture. Always say yes to freshly cooked food. You should use dal, khichdi and the food which is rich with the ghee, vegetables which is naturally sweet, spices, curd, warm milk under your meal. In a day, you should take some spices like coriander, fenugreek and ginger, turmeric that will provide the necessary warmth which is help you to the digestion. And under the root vegetable you can have carrot, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, beetroot that will also help you to digestion. And avoid dry, cold and raw food. Stale food is also not good. And in a bad time you can take a glass with a pinch of turmeric or nutmeg that will help you to sleep better. So now we have some basic understanding about what is dosha, specifically Vata dosha, and how it get disbalanced. What are the common signs of this? Recognizing these signs is very important because this is your body's gentle way of saying slow down, rebalance and reconnect. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned with me.